So, hello. As you can tell from the title, I'm making a single Perceptron. I'm going to be using Python and documentation to do this because I want to, thanks to Daniel Azevedo for this guide. Okay, so here's what I have. It says in the documentation to use numpy. I know how to code, I swear. So, I just have to type pip install numpy. Wait, why is it error? So, I finally figured out how to fix it, and I did it all by myself. As you can see from my excitement in the cursor, I just used a pip installer extension. So, thanks, Peter Steiner. So, in the guide, I'll need to make a Perceptron class. Okay, let me just explain the Perceptron class code. This one initiates all the variables identifiers needed. You can tell from the dundu word in it. For this part, this defines the number of samples and features. This one initializes the weights and bias. This is for training the Perceptron. This basically initiates the training process. For this part, this calculates the linear output. This applies the step underscore function. This updates the weight and bias if there are errors, misclassification. This is similar to the for enumerate loop and also calculates the linear upiet and apply the step underscore function. This just defines what the step function actually is and does. So, next, to make a data set to actually see the output. This is an NNN gate dataset. Why be in the labels for this NN gate? Now next is to train and test the Perceptron. You already know what I'm gonna do. This initializes it, identifier. This trains it with the samples and features. This just outputs it into the terminal. Now, to finally run the code. Wait, what? Turns out the problem was just the indentation and capitalization of the variables. This is just a small project, but it's a step. Now I have that off of my project list and I have to remind myself that I am a bad programmer and I need to do projects. You can try this out for yourself. I'll link the website in the comments section or you'll see. That is all for this video, and you may support my channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. So goodbye.